Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nvidia, Tesla and Palantir price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. We're gonna start with Nvidia here, of course, where we still looking at our possible finished wave 1. This wave 1 here as a large impulse, of course, I'm looking for a wave 2 after it. This wave 2 has to be, of course, unfolding over there. So I'm looking, of course, for a 1, 2. And currently, of course, because of this sideways and very choppy wave that we see, of course, especially, of course, with confluence with NASDAQ and the stock indices, which anyway, I'm looking for a wave 2 also for them. I'm looking the same for Nvidia. And if you remember from the last analysis, I mentioned the highest probability here is definitely to push toward the downside. I'm looking for the minimum target 0.38 as a wave 2. This is a minimum requirement. And of course, as a W, X, and a Y. Now, this wave Y might be a zigzag here. It might be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, and a C. So don't get surprised that this might transform to something very bearish, and that it might be, of course, turning into a potential wave 2, a deep wave 2. Now, it can be also taken here somehow, but I mean, as a wave 1, I mean. But the problem with the wave 5, it looks like 3 waves. This is my problem with it. So therefore, W, X, and a wave Y here, that it might be, of course, in a zigzag there. So target to be watched is $144 for Nvidia here, in a very potential possible and finishing, of course, this wave. I was looking for the wave 2. This wave 2 over there. So we have, of course, a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Potentially here W also even, yes. That's why I'm gonna explain this. So because we have only here 5 waves, finished a wave wave 5, sorry, and a wave 1, and then of course we got a kind of like 3 waves here, so I cannot count it a part of this impulse. I have to count it as an ABC, wave W, wave X here, and then wave Y is unfolding over there, guys. Yep, so that was it for Nvidia. Let's see Tesla. For Tesla as well, on the daily, we are looking for lower prices, if you remember. And that because I'm looking for a finished pattern here for Tesla on the all-time history. So we finished a count. In any case scenario, we're pushing downward, and that means, of course, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, a finished impulse wave 1. You're seeking for a deep wave 2, maybe, of course, $70 here. But other probability is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, wave A, wave B, wave C, finished over there 1 to 1. A, B, and a C, of course, and a finished wave C as well, meaning, of course, you have finished here 3 waves up, A, B, and a C, and then you're looking here for another A, B, C finished, and you're looking for lower. Now, my most probable scenario here, because in any case scenario that we have for Tesla, we're gonna reach this area. This area is $267, 0.38 fib level. Why? Because, of course, this can be an ending diagonal, meaning pushing down, but also it can be transition to a leading diagonal, but you need a wave 2 for it. That means if this is gonna make a transition to a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that means your wave 5, your wave C, and your wave 1 are simply extended. And your wave A, of course. So that is the only possibility to push for higher for Tesla. You need, of course, this price 267 to be tested. And then we seek, of course, if it's going to push for higher. Otherwise, we have finished impulse, we have finished ABC, and we push toward the downside. And very likely to reach, of course, here, the $70, the $50, or I'm going to make it even much more reasonable here. Let's take the fib level from there, 0.38. And you see, of course, that this 0.38 is around the $50 as well, $48. Now, this is, of course, this is a logarithmic fib level. Now, if I go to linear, you will realize that, okay, the 0.38 here is $325. which is also a possibility for a rebound, but I doubt this. I think even on the linear here, I'm gonna bring this, by the way, as logarithmic, and if I go as logarithmic there, as linear, so basically I'm looking for the perfect fib level anyway. Yeah, perfect fib level for this wave 2 in case it is a wave 2, meaning 1, 2. So anyway, it's going to dive deep, and this is gonna hit, of course, the $200, which is, of course, around the $220 and $267, which is more safer actually to think like that. And then, of course, pushing toward the upside. By all means, this drop is going to happen, in my opinion, guys, and in my humble experience. Okay, so this might happen. 267 is almost a very nice target to be reached. Otherwise, if the things are going to go logarithmic, of course, $50, but I doubt it. Yeah, so I still see this area, of course, as a target before we push for higher. Yep, so this is regarding Tesla. We're gonna see the next one, which is Palantir. For Palantir, guys, we have a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finished wave 3. Wave 4 in the yellow, also in the perfect fib level 0.38, 0.5, 1-to-1 ABC. Very nice reaction given from Palantir. Let's dive inside it on the 4 hours chart here. We see after this A, B, and a C, the wave 5 finished over there as a wave 3. This is our wave 4. We see a very nice reaction here, which it can be, of course, double 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5. Very likely that this is an A, B, and a C expanding flat, and that because of the 3 waves, direct 3 waves, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 still expected here. However, as of course a signal of something else unfolding here, be careful from invalidation of bullish, meaning the price should not interfere with the 141. Why? Because wave 4 is not allowed to interfere with the zone 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 should stay intact. If this happens, then of course invalidation, meaning of course we're turning bearish here. So very interesting. We'll see, of course, what's going to happen over there. I'm going to mark this for you as a potential. You know what? We're going to take it as... Okay, yeah, let's take it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But let me check something first. By the way, let me see. Yes, we didn't took the low. Okay, there is a gap. We didn't took the low. I was looking, what if this is a large ABC wave 2? But actually, this can be, of course, a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 here. And then wave 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. And this is also an impulse. So, and those is clear, of course, expanding diagonal, meaning, of course, we're still looking for higher prices, guys. I'm going to check this even internally, A, B, and a C. Yes, of course, everything is still showing a potential finished structure, but not yet. 1, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes. One more low, guys. One more low for this correction wave 4, and we might push for a wave 5 for Palantir. That was it for Tesla, Palantir, and Nvidia. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.